In this video we look at two ways to total columns in Excel. The most general way to total a column is to use the sum function. To use the sum function, simply use the equals sign and type sum followed by selecting the range to total. The range should have an open and close parentheses. Press Enter or select the check mark to execute the function. Let us look at another method. Select the last cell under the column to be totaled. Next, choose the Sum button located on the ribbon. The column should be selected. Press Enter or select the check mark to execute the function. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.